If you want to quickly see the analytics for your projects on itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open your itch.io dashboard and find the analytics section so you can check how your projects are performing. This is a really useful process if you want to understand your traffic, track project activity, and get a better feel for how your page is doing over time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the projects you want to review. That part is important because the analytics are tied to your account and your dashboard access. If you're not logged in, go ahead and sign in first so you can see everything you need. Now that you're on itch.io, look at the top of the page and click on Dashboard. This is where itch.io keeps the tools for managing your projects, viewing updates, and checking your account-related information. Once the dashboard opens, you'll see different options and controls for your creator account. From here, find and click Analytics. This is the section you want if you're trying to view the performance data for your projects. Inside Analytics, you can review information related to your project activity and better understand how people are interacting with your pages. Depending on what itch.io shows for your account, this may include useful stats that help you monitor visibility and engagement. And that's really all there is to it. Open itch.io in your browser, go to Dashboard at the top, then click Analytics, and you're done. It's a very simple process, but it can be really helpful if you want to keep an eye on your projects and make smarter decisions about what to improve next. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.